Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome to Help Me DIY and another video. Today I have a special announcement. I have a company that came to me called Vision Vents. So I'm gonna do a little description of their product, a little quick installation to show you how to install it and how it works. And here we go. All right, this is my Boxster 986. If you guys have one of these or possibly some 987s, older Porsches, you have seen foam coming out of these vents, haven't you? You've probably wondered what that is. Well, behind here, there is a big system that controls your heat and air conditioning. And there is a couple blend doors that open and close that are covered with foam, and that foam comes off and blows out of here. And so one of the issues that can happen is once all of those foam bits come out, your heat and air don't work like they used to work. And another issue that can happen, this is what Vision Vents aims to fix, is your defrost vents right up here. You've probably never seen them on your dashboard. When you're running your air conditioning, if it is humid out, and those flaps aren't working, some of the cold air escapes here, hits your glass, and causes it to fog up. So, has that ever happened to you guys? Have you seen your front window fog? So when this happens, and it will happen if you have an older Porsche, you have three options. Option one, take it to the dealership, pay a lot of money. Option two, watch my other video, do it yourself, cut parts of your car, and you can do it. It is doable, but if you're not a DIYer and that's not your style, you have the third option, Vision Vents. So this video is going to take a look at their product and what it does to solve the issue. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. This is the product that I just received in the mail. Assume these are the pieces. All right, so this is what they look like. They have a little mechanical piece here that raises this flap and lowers it, and on the back that has some just really thin, strong adhesive double-sided tape. That's all you need to use to install them. Just take any old interior cleaner. I happen to use this Adams one, and clean your whole dash, especially the vent back here. You want to make sure you have a nice clean surface for these to adhere to. So from the outside of the car, you can see where they would go. These are the defrost vents up here. So let me drop them in place and show you what they look like. All right, just want to pull this out of the garage, so hopefully you can see it with a little bit less glare. But yeah, I think they are very nice looking, not out of place at all. You wouldn't even notice them unless I pointed them out to you. Here they are on the inside without the glass in the way. And that little puck back there is my Sirius XM puck. So installation is literally as easy as peeling off the little tabs like this and pressing it into place. The vents face you, and the flat edge matches up right against here. And I'm just going to make sure it's lined up from the outside. Double check out here, make sure it's evenly spaced, and press it down. So here it is installed, and if you actually want to use your defrost, you just lift up here, raise the vents, and it will allow it to pass through to do your defrost. And when you're not using the defrost, but you are using your air conditioner, Vision Vents actually recommends not to leave them closed all the way, but to leave them just barely open, because this does not completely seal your original defrost vents, so some of the cold air can escape from behind them if they're not vented a little bit, having that cold air come towards the cabin. Vision Vents currently produces these things for the 986, the 987, the 996, and the 997, both 0.1 and 0.2. These come in three different colors, the most popular dashboard colors that Porsche has: the black, stone gray, and sand beige.